Hey, if you've ever tried to make money online, you've probably run into the same frustrating problem. You're putting in the effort, maybe even promoting products, but the results just aren't where you want them to be. And here's the truth most people don't talk about. If you don't have your own product, you're always leaving money on the table. Think about it. When you're only an affiliate, you're earning a commission. But when you're the vendor, the product owner, you control everything. You keep 100% of the profits, you build your own brand, and most importantly, you collect customer emails that can turn into long-term income. But let's be real for a second. Creating your own product from scratch? That's not easy. You need an idea. You need to build the content, package it, design it, and then hope it actually sells. It can take weeks or even months, and there's no guarantee it will work. That's exactly why I want to introduce you to something called Profit Academy. Now, what makes Profit Academy different is that it gives you access to 100 done-for-you business courses with full private label rights. And what that means is simple. You can take these courses, rebrand them, edit them, and sell them as your own. So instead of starting from zero, you're starting with a full product library already built for you. Inside, you'll find courses on topics like affiliate marketing, social media growth, YouTube marketing, SEO, AI content creation, and more. These are all topics that people are actively searching for and willing to pay for. And here's where it gets interesting. You're not limited to just selling one course. You can bundle them together, create different offers, build your own sales funnel, or even use them as bonuses to increase your affiliate conversions. For example, you could take one course as your main product, then offer additional courses as upsells. Or you could package multiple courses into a premium bundle and position it as a complete business training system. You can even use some of the courses as lead magnets, giving them away for free in exchange for email addresses, so you can build your own list. And if you understand anything about online business, you know this: the real money is in the list. Now, I want to be clear about something. This is not some magical push button and get rich system. You still need to put in effort. You still need to learn how to drive traffic and connect with your audience. But what this does is remove one of the biggest barriers: creating a product. Instead of spending weeks building something from scratch, you can start with something that's already done and focus your time on what actually makes money: marketing and selling. And that's a huge advantage, especially if you're just getting started or if you've been stuck trying to figure out your next move. So if your goal is to stop chasing random offers and finally build something of your own, something you control, something you can scale, then Profit Academy might be exactly what you need right now. Take your time, check it out, and see if it fits your goals. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.